Don't answer it. If you don't move, it can't see you.
Previously on English Life Chronicles, Leo was feeling unstoppable. He was a productivity machine. Until he made the classic mistake. He sent the wrong attachment to a major client. He learned that in business, you don't make excuses. You own your error. He fixed the problem and saved his reputation, but he swore he would never send an email again. When we speak face-to-face, we use our eyes, our hands, and our smiles to help us understand. But what happens when you take all of that away? Welcome to episode 9, The Bad Connection. The telephone. No faces, no gestures, just noise. Today, Leo faces the invisible enemy, a bad connection, a loud voice, and a difficult name to spell. Can he survive the call without hanging up?
Don't answer it. If you don't move, it can't see you.
Leo, are you going to pick up? It's probably the warehouse.
I hate the phone, Sam. I can't see their lips. I can't see their hands. It's just noise. What if I don't understand them? What if I agree to buy 1,000 elephants?
Just answer it.
Hello, Miller and Associates. Leo speaking.
Yeah, this is Vinny from Jers Marble. We got a problem with the order.
I'm sorry?
The marble. It ain't white. It's pink. You want the pink or you want to wait?
Pink? He hung up. We have a problem. The library is going to be pink.
The telephone has its own language. Leo just used 3 essential phrasal verbs. 1. Pick up, meaning to answer the phone. Example, I need to pick up the phone. 2. Hang up, meaning to end the call. Example, don't hang up, I'm not finished. 3. Cut off, meaning when the connection breaks accidentally. Example, sorry, we were cut off. Now Leo has to call Vinny back, and Vinny talks loudly.
Okay, focus. Ask for Vinny. Tell him no pink. We need white.
Jersey Marble.
Hello, this is Leo Rossi calling back. I think we were cut off.
What? I can't hear you, buddy. It's loud in here.
I said I am calling about the order.
The border? You crossing the border?
No, the order. This is a nightmare.
Look, you're breaking up. The signal is bad. Say again? Hello? Hello?
I think I need a new career. Maybe a mime. Mimes don't use phones.
We have all been there. Bad signal, loud noises. Do not panic. Use these control phrases to manage the situation. 1. You are breaking up. Use this when the voice sounds robotic or choppy. 2. The line is very bad. Use this when there is static or background noise. 3. Could you speak up, please? Use this if they are too quiet. Speak up equals talk louder. 4. Could you slow down a little? Use this if they are talking too fast. It is not rude. It is necessary. Leo needs to take control. Let's try attempt number 3.
I'm an architect. I designed a bridge. I can talk to Vinny.
Jersey Marble.
Hi, Vinny. It's Leo again. Listen, the line is bad, so I'm going to speak clearly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I got you now. Go ahead.
Okay. Regarding the marble for the library project, you mentioned it was pink. There seems to be a mistake. We ordered Carrara white.
Yeah, I know you ordered white, but I'm out of white. I got pink. It's nice. It's like salmon.
I appreciate the offer, Vinny. However, the client specifications are very strict. We cannot accept pink. It must be white. When can you get the white stock?
Oof, I gotta check the computer. Who is this again? Leo what?
Leo Rossi.
Leo Roxy? Like the music?
No, Rossi.
Rossini?
No, let me spell it.
Spelling over the phone is impossible. M as in Mancy? B as in boy? To solve this, the military invented the NATO Phonetic Alphabet. You don't need to know all of them, but you must know how to spell your own name. A for Alpha, B for Bravo, C for Charlie, S for Sierra, R for Romeo. Let's watch Leo use his training.
Okay, Vinny. I will spell my last name for you. It is R for Romeo, O for Oscar, S for Sierra, S for Sierra, I for India. Rossi.
Ah, Rossi, why didn't you say so? I know your boss, Henderson. Good guy. Tips well.
Yes, he is a great guy. So, about the white marble?
For Henderson, I'll make a few calls. I can get you the white by Tuesday, but it's going to cost extra for the rush shipping.
That is acceptable. Please send the updated invoice to my email.
You got it, Romeo, Oscar, Sierra, Sierra, India. Have a good one.
You're alive. I was ready to call an ambulance.
I did it, Sam. I actually did it. No elephants, just marble.
I heard. Romeo, Oscar, Sierra, Sierra, India. You sounded like a commander in a movie. Vinny didn't even interrupt you.
It is the NATO alphabet. It is like a magic shield. When I started spelling, he stopped yelling. I felt powerful.
That's the secret, buddy. Confidence. You just handled the toughest vendor in New York. If you can handle Vinny, you can handle anything this city throws at you.
You are right. I am ready. Bring on the angry clients. Bring on the bad signals. I am, how do you spell unstoppable?
Uniform, November, Sierra. Never mind, it's too long. Oh,
What is it? Another marble crisis? I can handle it.
no, it's not marble. It's an automated calendar reminder.
Calendar?
Leo, look at the date.
90 days since I started.
Probation ends tomorrow, and Henderson just sent the invite.
The performance review.
Hey, don't look like that. You just had a huge win. You're riding high. Just take that Romeo Oscar energy into his office.
Vinny is just a voice on a phone. Henderson is... Henderson. He sees everything. He knows about the coffee machine. He knows about the email attachment.
He also knows you fixed them. Look, he's going to ask you what you achieved. Just tell him what you told me. You're a closer.
I need to prepare. I need to practice my grammar. I need to not throw up.
You have until tomorrow morning. Go home. Get some sleep. Iron your shirt. And maybe practice that unstoppable spelling again.
Uniform, November, Sierra, terrified.
You got this.
The final judgment is coming.
Leo has conquered the telephone. He used the NATO alphabet to save the day, but now he faces the biggest challenge of all. Episode 10, the performance review. It is the season finale. Will Leo get a promotion, or will he get fired? Homework for the comments. Write your first name using the NATO alphabet. For example, Leo equals Lima Echo Oscar. Go! See you next time for the finale.